welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. I'm Lynn Marie. Thanks for stopping by. Today we are going to go into a brand new box, one I have seen all over YouTube, but this is my first time ordering it. And it is Trendsend by Evereve. I'm not real familiar with it, but what I do know is that it has a $25 styling fee, which is then applied to whatever purchase you make. You have 5 days to try things on in your home and decide what you like and don't like. There are free exchanges and free returns. Besides all that, you still get a referral fee. If you and your friend both try it, there is a 20% off referral fee. I will link the code below. So let's get into it. All the bundles are packed quite nicely. You generally get 6 to 8 pieces, and the pieces average about $70 each. All right, for the first bundle, let's open this. It looks nice and bright and sunny. Okay, the first item, it appears to be a tank top, and I can tell you right now that's too tiny for me. It's cute. It says happiness, and I can't read the rest. It's in gold, and I surely can't read it. But it says happy. That's all I got for you. Sorry. But this, I'll let you know when we're trying things on, the designer and how much each piece is. Let me look, see if I can find this piece. By Sanctuary. Nope, this is the Happy Tank by Spiritual Gangster. And this is $38.40. It's super cute, but I know for certain that is not gonna fit me. It's adorable. Right? And next is oh cute, super cute tie-dye sweatshirt with ruffled sleeves. Oh, this is gonna be absolutely adorable. I can't wait to try this on. This is cute. Let's see who this is. This is by Michael Stars, and it is $102.40. I will not be keeping it. I can't spend $100 on one top. Otherwise, I'll never be able to buy much from any other subscription. This is cute, but it's definitely going back. I'll try it on so you can see what it looks like. If anybody else has a bigger budget than mine, it's adorable and I would keep it. All right, and then we have a pair of shorts. Nice shorts, I like these. They're stretchy material. Let's see who these are and how much they are. Excuse the dogs barking. All right. Tory shorts by Relish, and they are $70.40. We'll see how they fit. Now then, there is a second bundle. All right, we have the second bundle. There is a third. Okay. Looks to be 2 items here. Let's see what we have. Ooh, oh, this is darling. It's a white blouse, all cotton. It's great. Oh, this is nice. This is the one that's by Sanctuary, and this is $99. That makes me sad that it's that much. I was hoping it'd be closer to the $70 average. I'll try it on and see how it fits. It would look really cute with those green shorts I just showed you. All right, and then here are, oh, they look like beach pants. These are cute. The pattern on them is really beautiful. These are, let's see, these are by Mayan, and they are $88. If they fit, they would be a great addition to my beach wear. We go on a lot of beach vacations, and we start those in November, and then we continue in January and February. So during my shopping season here, this is what I'm looking for, beach items. All right, bundle number 3. Here it is. All right, looks to be one item. And it looks to be a t-shirt dress. Well, that's pretty cute. I'll try all this on and see what it's like. See how it fits. That's cute. I wish it was a different color. This in a yellow would be beautiful for this time of year. This is also by Sanctuary. It's a large, and it is on sale for $79.99. It used to be $99. All right, well, let me get to it and try some of these on for you. Okay, so I put on the outfit that I was the most excited about. I'm on my tiptoes, so I hope you can see the slit on these pants. I love it. It is the perfect beach outfit. I'm absolutely in love. And if you know me or have been watching my videos, you know what I love the most about an outfit is pockets. We all carry cell phones. We all need pockets. Where am I going in these pants where I can't have pockets? I need pockets. Yeah, I'm a little crazy, but I need pockets. I think a lot of us feel that way. So the top is a keeper. I absolutely adore this top. This is great beachwear. So the top is by Sanctuary, and it's $79.20. The pants are Rowan and Ryan, and they are $70.40. It's a little bit of a pricey beach outfit, but when you love it this much, it's worth it, right? Girls, right? Except there's no pockets. I'll switch into this top next. I'll leave on these pants. Okay, so I'm back. This is not a good look, I'm well aware. But I wanted to tell you guys that I was trying this shirt on for you, because I mentioned I would. This top was, I think, $104. It's super cute. It is made out of sweatshirt material, so I know I'd be really hot this summer. But it's cute, but it's not $104 worth of cute. Or am I being judgy? I don't know. It's cute all the way around though. Well, what I'll do next is I will put on the olive shorts with this same top. All right, so these are the shorts. These are by Level 99, and these are $70.40. They're really comfortable, and they have, yeah, you guessed it, they got pockets. I don't know. I think some of the other boxes have been spoiling me with such great prices that I think $70 is a lot to pay for a pair of shorts. They're great quality. I'm not gonna, disqualify them there at all. And they fit really nice. I think I just fell in love with that white top, and that's my #1 pick out of this whole box. But I have yet to try on the black dress, so you never know. Okay, as promised, the little black dress. Different version than what we're used to as a little black dress. This is more of a summer-ish, casual little black dress. For me, it's, of course, no pockets. That's an issue. Crazy me. But there's just a little too much material here for me. I'm not by any stretch of the imagination a skinny girl. So when I'm wearing something, I want it to be a little tighter to the body to show the figure I do have. This makes me just look 2 times the size that I really am. And I don't like that size for me. I'm too short to be that size. It's super cute if you are somebody taller. This would be like a cute little baby doll dress on you like that. Perfect, and younger probably than my age. So if I had to really say this is absolutely what I'm buying, it would be the white blouse. this white cotton shirt just stole my heart. The pants I love, they fit to the ground the way they're supposed to, blew my mind. But the no pockets is kind of a no deal for me. So this was Evereve by Trendsend, and I'm Lynn Marie. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. Please give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button and the bell. That helps my channel and can lets me continue doing this content. Thanks so much again, and have a great day. Bye-bye.